How many connections does a receiver need? Advance's answer: yes. For example, this precious receiver has a lot of connection ports. But why so many? Do we want to confuse the refrigerant with too many options? A look inside the receiver reveals a smaller vessel and a heat exchanger, both internally connected to several of the ports.
With these internals and numerous ports, we optimize our CO2 cycle. Through the first port, the high pressure valve injects into the receiver. Due to throttling, the CO2 undergoes a phase change into wet vapor. Inside the receiver, the wet vapor separates and the liquid state collects at the bottom. With the second port, the refrigerant units are supplied with that liquid. And the third port is used to reduce the vapor inside the receiver. It's called flash gas bypass, or for short, the gas bypass. So these are the first three ports of the receiver. But wait, there's more!
The heat exchanger inside the receiver is responsible for the superheat at the low temperature compressors. Due to the constant receiver temperatures, the suction gas receives a safe and highly predictable superheat. A minimum superheat of 10 to 20 Kelvin is commonly recommended for CO2 compressors. The high superheat keeps the oil temperature elevated. That keeps vapor out of the oil and lubrication working. And the cool part is, the heat exchanger cools the receiver liquid and may reduce vapor saturation.
Vapor saturation? That brings us to the next receiver ports. The throttling of saturated vapor produces a small amount of liquid. If the combined suction line goes straight into the medium temp compressor, liquid carryover can quickly reduce superheat and cause lubrication issues. The medium temp compressor requires nearly the same superheat conditions as the low temp compressor. The vessel inside the receiver solves that problem. It's essentially an external heated liquid separator. It keeps the liquid out and improves the suction gas superheat, just like the heat exchanger. It also adds cooling when only the low temp stage is running. These are three more ports on the receiver.
The remaining ports are for the necessary safety valves, the level control, and of course, the filling and drain valve.
With all the ports, the receiver creatively solves many issues related to CO2. But one question remains.